Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're great. And as you see now, I'm checking for some updates on my 23H2, and I think that must be some patch Tuesday on the 23H2, 22H3, and 24H2. And I'm on the version 23H2, so, and yes, we have lots of, as you see here, this have two cumulative updates. We have for Net Framework 3.5 and 4.8.1 version 11. As you see, 23H2 with number here, KGB 049624. And what is important for me now and probably and for you, I don't know what is new here. So does it have some? Of course, something have some changes and improvements and something what is new. Now I'm just download, install, and if you are not subscribed on my channel, and click the bell icon, and of course I will record a new video, and you will get pop-up notification. So click the bell icon and subscribe on my channel, and you will see what is new. You see that is the January month. January here, 2024 is the first cumulative update in this month. So cumulative for Windows 11 version 23H2, like I said, 64 based system KGB 50500. Nothing. It will back. It will be back on the same percentage and everything, like as you see here. And like I said, system KGB 5050021, and we have a window malicious software removal tool, 64 based v5.131 KGB 890830. And don't look at this, like I said, you will see on my videos. It's something from my laptop. My laptop is old, so. And we have, like I said, security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender antivirus, and you will see here what is the version. For me, is most important is this cumulative update, and I always update my PC on the latest. And as you can see on this video, you can see that I'm still on 23H2, and guys, I will stay too long, I think, on 23H2 until I change and goes to 24H2. So that will be all for now. Like I said, please subscribe, ring the bell icon, and that will be all for now, and bye.